I can't take, like, completely being out of my element. It's just... And... TV doesn't work, and... It's just... Something so trivial as not being able to watch Wipeout tonight has really set me off. I mean, I can't do this without something anchoring me to my usual routine, and there's no television, there's no internet. I just can't take it. It's not even... I haven't even been 2 hours here yet. And already I just want to go home. I hate holidays. It's only 11:50. I can't take it. I want to go home. It's finally Thursday morning and we're leaving. It's about 9:30. I haven't done much the whole time other than just sleep and draw on whatever I can find, including my suitcase, so that's covered in doodles now, so little rag skulls and stuff. That's all I can really fucking draw. We're packing up, I gotta go. I'm so tired, and yet at the same time I'm so glad to be fucking leaving. It's not like it was that bad, I hate going on holiday. I hate being... I'm such a nerd, I realise now. As soon as I go home, I'm just going to go straight onto the internet. Because I miss the internet. Yeah.